Hello Mary, I believe you come in for a hearing test today. Firstly, is there any general health issues that we need to be aware of? No. Do you have any medication that you take? Lovely. Well, before we do the hearing test, I'm going to firstly check for wax in your ears. So I'm going to be using an otoscope. So I'm just going to pull very gently on the top of your ear there. Just pop this inside. Lovely. And then I'm going to come around and do the other side. And again, I'm just going to pull very gently on your ear. Lovely. I can see the eardrum clearly there, so we've got no wax. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sit in the booth, which is going to create a nice quiet environment for us to be able to do the hearing test. So this is our hearing booth. What I'm going to ask you to do in a moment is to come across and have a seat inside. We're going to pop some headphones on and then we'll close the door. And this will help to create a nice, quiet environment for us to check your hearing. Lovely. We take those headphones down and we need the red over your right ear and the blue over your left ear. So we're just going to pop those on. Lovely. Are you ready for me to close the door? Marvellous. I'm going to ask you to listen to what's said to you in the headphones and just repeat what you say. These may be words, numbers or sentences. Okay? So whilst the audiologist has a look at the results, we're going to play you a video so that you can just understand how hearing works. It will go through the anatomy of your ear and how sound is picked up.
Sounds are formed anytime an object creates vibrations. These vibrations travel through the air, just as ripples travel across water.
And that is why we do an audiogram which tests the different sounds you can hear at the different pitches, which then correlates to what we found on the hearing test.
So if you did have a hearing loss, we do have a wide variety of hearing aids that we can choose from in the ear to over the ear. We would work with you and show you how to put them in, how to care for them, and be there for when you feel you need adjustments to what you're hearing to make it comfortable.